Hello guys, today we are going to see what is list comprehension. So list comprehension is a method in Python where we create list with the help of a simple statement itself. So with the help of that we create list in Python. So list comprehension is used a lot in Python and you will find it very useful during the course of that. So very first one is where we are creating a list of square. So square is equal to, then I will give square brackets, then x, then exponential, then square for x in range, and in range I will give my range. Okay, suppose I want to 1 to 10. Okay, I want to 1 to 10. So this is my this one, and then I will print it. Okay, and then I will print squares. Okay, so this will generate a list of squares from 1 to 12, 1 to 10, and it will give me so 1, 4, 9, 16, 24, 36, 49, 64, 81, and 100. So this particular expression is called as list comprehension. Okay, this is called as list comprehension. Now the second example is where we are trying to find even numbers in that. So even, and what we are doing right here is square bracket x, and for x in range, and total 10 values we are taking. And right here what we are saying, if x percentage, okay, x modulus 2 equal to 0. Okay, so this will give me, so I will say print even, and it will give me numbers between 0 to 10, all the even numbers between that. In the same way I will generate for odd numbers. So odds is equal to square bracket x, then for x in range, and suppose from 1 to 10 I want, and if x modulus 2 equal to, sorry, not equal to, what we are doing right here is equal to 0. So it will give me print odds, and it will give me list of all odds. Okay, then next example where we are finding multiple of that. Okay, so next example is where we are trying to see multiples, and we are trying to understand. So first thing is multiples is equal to x for x in range, and whatever range I want, 20. And then what I'm saying right here is if percentage, if x modulus 3 equal to 0. Okay, so it will check that number is multiple of and this one. So this is my output. This is my output. Okay, then I am creating a list of words. Okay, I am creating a list of words. Now you can take anything in that. Okay, so apple, banana, and cherries, whatever, and dates. Okay, so this is my list, and what we are doing right here is first underscore letter is equal to, what we are doing is my very first index. Okay, so 0. Okay, 0. Now for what? For W in word. Okay, W in words. Okay, so W in words means this words is my list. It will pick each value. It will pick each value. It will assign it to W, and W will see the very first alphabet of that, that is A, and it will assign it to your first letter. Okay, it will assign it to your first letter. So it will generate a list of that. So that is what first letter word. Okay, first letter of word. Then you are converting it into uppercase. Okay, you are converting it into uppercase. So what you are doing right here is, suppose you are taking a list, fruits. Now what is happening right here is fruits. Okay, and you are converting it into uppercase. Okay, you are converting it into uppercase. So that is your this one. Now extracting from strings. So what you are extracting from string, you are extracting number from your string. So very first thing is, suppose I say text is equal to like something random. So this is my text. Now what I want to fetch numbers from it. Digits is equal to square bracket my list, because this is a list comprehension, for ch. What you are doing right here, ch dot is digit. Okay, ch dot is digit function you are using right here, and then you are saying print, and you are saying then print digit and this one. So it extracted all the numbers. Okay, this is string, so that's why this is also string. It identified numbers from that, but actually its nature is string. Its data type is string. So that's why it is in strings itself in single quotes. Then next one is flatten nest list. So what you are doing is you have matrix, you have matrix right here, and what you are doing right here is you have a two-dimensional matrix 1 2 3, then 3 4 5, or 4 5 6, and 7 8 9. Okay, this is my matrix, two-dimensional matrix. Now what I am doing is flat. What we are doing is, now this is my sorry, not now, num uh, for rows, num for row in matrix. What you are doing right here is you are saying for num in row. Okay, and then print flat. So it will generate all the numbers. It will make a two-dimensional value into one-dimensional one. Okay, this will convert the two-dimensional. Now square of even numbers. So what will be the square of even. Okay, so square of even. So what we are doing right here is we are taking number range, and we are also checking if it is a even number. Okay, we are checking if it is a even number, and then we are getting square of that particular set of values. Okay, let it be 30. So it will give you this one. And the last one is removal of vowels. So you have a text. Okay, you have a text right here, and in this text you have values, and you are removing vowels, and you are taking the remaining one. So O is vowel, E is vowel, E is vowel, O is vowel. So these are removed from it, and the remaining is my list. Okay, so this is list comprehension. I tried to explain you in very easy way with examples, and we will keep on adding such type of videos in this one in our channel. So keep watching this. Thank you very much.